Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Milwaukee introduces a line of low-voltage voice, data, video hand tools for the VDV professional. Experience the best access and visibility when utilizing the punch-down tool. A new-to-world extended-reach 110 blade makes it easier to navigate crowded patch panels, while an integrated LED light ensures that you can see into the panel when terminating wires. The ratcheting modular crimper is designed for installing RJ11 and RJ45 modular jacks and delivers consistent and accurate crimps. This unique design allows you to apply equal force when performing crimps, while an inline design head gives you improved visibility and easy access for jack removal. Blades won't loosen with Milwaukee's bolt lock design on the new electrician snips. All metal handles and comfortable grips give you the maximum leverage. A wire gullet prevents the blades from walking while making a cut. The multi-pick tool features a double-ended precision screwdriver with Phillips and slotted heads, along with a pick and spudger. This 4-in-1 multi-pick tool allows you to perform all 4 applications with the same tool, minimizing the amount of additional tools needed for a job. A UTP stripper specifically designed for Cat 3 through Cat 6 wire features an optimized finger loop and adjustable blade height, giving you a comfortable one-handed operation. This line of innovative new hand tools allows you to cut, prep, strip, and terminate with more consistency and accuracy, all while allowing you to consolidate the amount of tools you need to take the job. Milwaukee Low Voltage Voice Data Video Hand Tools.
Designed by the trade for the trade, Milwaukee introduces a line of 6-in-1 pliers to provide game-changing productivity. These multifunction pliers feature reaming, wire stripping, nail and staple pulling, bolt cutting, loop making, and wire cutting, allowing professionals to carry fewer tools and get more done on the job site. Maximize productivity with 6-in-1 pliers from Milwaukee.
I love the new overhead cutter because you can take one hand, open it up, push it on the wire, and hit the button and cut the wire. Felt, balanced like the other tools.
The Milwaukee overhead cutter cuts quickly and cleanly, lighter, simpler, safer because of one-handed operation. The jaws are big enough to fit on 1590 wire. You've got that one hand free, so while you do your cut, that tail don't flop back and hit anything. It just makes everything safer. It's a better format to use. The Milwaukee 12-ton crimper, it's lighter, so it's easier to control and maneuver to get in a line.
12-ton crimper, it's comfortable. You know, it's got a no-slip grip. It felt balanced. I loved how you can slide on the wire and go. There's no hydraulic hose to hook up. I like the green light that comes on it, shows the full crimp.
Having everything nice, tight, and compact is awesome for energized work.
The Cnockout program by Milwaukee really embodies kind of what we do as a company. We go out, talk to the user, and really try and redefine the process of what they do. In this instance, we went out looking for ways to innovate on a knockout punch, and we learned very quickly that if you wanted to change the way these guys work, you had to go start to finish through the entire process.
The accuracy is very important. You may be running a whole rack of pipes.
There's no room for error. I mean, we're running conduits out the top of a panel. They got to be exactly right on the mark. So
with the crosshairs, that allows us to be exact and get our hole exactly where we want it. That way it eliminates offsets.
now I'm not spending time measuring to make sure that die is in the right spot because I can't see it. I can see it easy enough that I'm already lining up the crosshairs on my marks that I put on there.
Hence the name, it's quick, it's light, it's easy, there's nothing to it.
There's 3 pieces. You can put it all together up in the air or on top of a panel. and then slip the actual tool on when you're ready to do the knockout.
I don't have to hold 15 pounds of a hydraulic pump and try to thread the die on the inside of the can.
The production's faster with the quick connect because of the fact that you're not holding all the weight up of those hydraulic heads. It's just as easy to pop a 1/2-inch hole as it is a 4-inch hole.
And the fact that it cuts through thick steel very easily and without much effort really impressed me.
From the strength of it, it's easier to cut them out versus the old knockout cutters with the pump. You got to really pump it hard to get it cut, and the battery-powered one in Milwaukee is just awesome when it comes to cutting it.
With the battery, you're not lugging around the big hydraulic cylinder.
On a job site, we're swapping batteries out all day long. With it being the same battery, you know, we need to knock something out. You just go grab it off the charger.
Well, I think the three main benefits of the Force Logic system are accuracy, speed, and safety.
There's no other die cutter on the market that's anything like this. That's this simple.
Now to see something come out new that is just totally different than what we've been accustomed to, it's quite something.
The whole system combined, from the dies, the knockouts, the quick connect, the tool itself, as a whole, they're just the perfect product for electricians.
The sum of the parts, the tool, the punches and dies, the quick connect alignment system, really redefined from the ground up the process for hole making. And at the end of the day, embody the easiest way to punch in the market today.
With the new Milwaukee remote cutter, you get it on the phase you want, set it up, get out of the way, hit the remote, and you can be 30 feet away and make the cut. If it happens to be energized, then you're nowhere near it. The remote's, it's got some fail safes on it. You gotta go through 3 different functions to make it work.
You know the cut is complete. It shows a green light after the sequence is finished. The Milwaukee remote cutter is safer than any other cutter that I've ever used. When you make that cut, if there's a problem, if there's an issue, you're away from that problem and that issue. You sacrifice the tool versus someone's life.
With the Milwaukee Crimper, like the Milwaukee Cutter, it's all in a straight line. Very easy to line up and do your crimp where you need it. It's very fast. It's lightweight. It's balanced pretty good. You can use it with one hand, and that's premium.
This one, that head lines up, boom, boom, boom. It is a lot faster and a lot nicer, yes.
It has a self-release on it. It crimps all the way, and then the green light lights up, and then it tells me it's good to go.
I'm confident with it. I know that once it hits the release, it's done its optimum pressure. If I want to verify, then I can just look and check with the light.
Milwaukee Crimper will fit any of the manufacturers. Whatever's in the specs could be any of those 7. We've got the one tool fits all, and it just saves a lot of money.
Milwaukee Cutter, cut straight, fast, and easy.
The Milwaukee Cutter, it is, I'd say, up to 3 times faster than anything I've used in previous. With everything being in a straight line on it, it's very easy to line up. In some of these areas, you don't have a lot of room. Because it's compact and lightweight and you do it with one hand, you can do your job better and more efficient and faster.
With that M18 cutter, I can get a clean cut for the termination, which is important. We've cut anything from 500 copper to 750 aluminum. You can change the angles of the head, or you can get into different areas. Most are kind of standard, locked in place.
The previous cutter would have it pinched and locked down and would have trouble getting it off the cable. This one goes right through the wire. We've had no problems. We're limited to our space in a lot of these cabinets, and we've not met anything we can't do with that.